To fix missing cost basis on Coinledger, start by understanding what cost basis is and why it is important for tax reporting. Cost basis refers to the original value of a cryptocurrency at the time of purchase, which is used to calculate gains and losses for tax purposes. First, log into your Coinledger account and navigate to the Transactions page. Identify the specific transactions that are missing cost basis information, which are typically marked as unknown or missing. Next, gather the necessary information to fill in the missing cost basis, including the date of purchase, the amount of cryptocurrency purchased, and the total cost of the purchase in US dollars. This information can usually be found in your email records, wallet history, or exchange account statements. Now, click on the Edit button next to the transaction with the missing cost basis and enter the correct information. Make sure to select the correct purchase date and enter the correct cost in US dollars. If you purchased the cryptocurrency using another cryptocurrency, you may need to use a historical price lookup tool to determine the US dollar value at the time of purchase. After entering the correct cost basis information, click Save to update the transaction. Repeat this process for all transactions with missing cost basis information. It is essential to ensure the accuracy of the cost basis information, as incorrect data can lead to incorrect tax calculations and potential penalties. If you are unsure about any information, consider consulting with a tax professional or using a reliable historical price data source. By following these steps, you can easily fix missing cost basis on Coinledger and ensure accurate tax reporting. Remember to regularly review your transactions and update any missing information to avoid potential issues during tax season. Best practices include keeping detailed records of all cryptocurrency transactions, regularly reviewing and updating cost basis information, and consulting with a tax professional if you are unsure about any aspect of the process. By taking these steps, you can ensure compliance with tax regulations and avoid potential penalties.